Hello, my name is James, and I'm a sales here at Appleton Byrider. The topic for today is going to be on the importance of oil change. Now, typically between 3,000 and 5,000 miles, it is recommended that you take your car into a shop for an oil change. There is 4 reasons that I would like to share with you today for an oil change. The first one is going to be better gas mileage. So if you're someone who has to drive long distances quite frequently, then you definitely understand the importance of gas mileage. However, did you know that the gas mileage and the quality of oil go hand in hand? Proper and consistent oil changes will only help maintain excellent gas mileage. If you fail to change your oil when necessary, is only going to reduce your gas mileage and require you to put more gas in your car more often. The second reason is reduces engine wear and buildup. If you take your vehicle to the mechanic for regular oil changes, you will only help your vehicle maintain its vitality. Oil changes help to reduce and remove any excess dirt that can build up in your engine from use. Sludge is also a common development in cars, and oil changes will completely remove it for a more efficient running engine. Basically, oil changes contribute to the cleanliness of your engine. A clean engine is a smooth running engine. The third reason is a longer engine life. Consistent oil changes will extend the life of your engine, providing your car with more value. With better gas mileage, proper engine lubrication, and the prevention of sludge and dirt particles, your engine is sure to last for a very long time. While you can't always prevent the problems that occur within a vehicle, you can definitely help to ensure that your vehicle's engine life is extended with continuous oil changes. The fourth reason to get an oil change is provide engine lubrication. To keep your car running effectively, your engine will provide a lot of heat. While engine heat is normal, you never want your engine to overheat. Without proper oil changes, your engine is more susceptible to overheating. The key is always making sure your engine is properly lubricated and clear of the possibility of drying out and causing a wealth of problems. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.